Just wait for 2 minutes and I'm starting portal and remaining services. Just portal ready. This is our regular resource group. Starting that studio. Meanwhile, data lake also will be starting. There is data lake. 0108. Okay, database I'm starting, sir. Data lake is pending. Yes. To database. All services ready. So first, before going for this STD6 implementation, all of you understood about STD4? STD6, it's not a new feature, combination of previous features. STD1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay? Yes, there is no STD5. Okay? Maybe tomorrow, in future. First, what is the idea behind that STD6? We will try to understand. Already for this also I prepared notes. First of all, get idea. After that, how to implement the things we will see. So here I have a record only one thing. Let's keep it like this. This is actually our table, which is for SCD implementation. SCD6 is a combination of three things. What are those? SCD1, SCD2, plus SCD3. That means what the information that you can get? You can get a delta and also history and also reset history. All the three things to be available in one single table. That is what SCD6 simply. But definitely it is costly in execution when compared with the previous. Okay. But advantage, complete information available. Similar to the full outer join. How if you apply full outer join, how complete information available. On the same style in SCD6, complete information available. Suppose I have an original record like this. This is in the beginning. After that, one incremental load happened. Think that is called as a delta 1. 1 minute. That is called delta 1. In delta 1, what happened is, okay, first try to understand the schema of your original table in target. Yes, key. So here I did a small modification. Because of this modification, even ASCII also not required for maintaining the versioning. If it is especially SCD2, two things are mandatory for you. Surrogate key for version. Second thing is active status. There is active status we did not keep right. Here I am keeping. That active status for the first record 1. The second field is ID. Third field is name. Fourth field is previous city. Next field is city. So actually we required only these 4 fields, but addition to that surrogate key and active status we are maintaining. Same as SCD2. Okay. Now delta 1. One change happened. Same for Anil. The change is like this. I'm talking about only city. In this way, many number of fields will be there. City from Hyderabad to Delhi, it is moved. Think that. Pipeline executed. What is expected? 101. Same Anil. Here, P city, Hyderabad. Current city, Delhi. Active status, 1. This is 0. Okay. Next, one more delta happened. On the same day or the second day, before next run of the pipeline. Same 101. Anil moved to Pune this time. What is expected? Simply 3, 101 Anil. This time, what is the previous city? Delhi. What is the current city? Pune. Status, please. 1. If it is 1, means the previous one. 0. One more last record I am giving. Delta 3. For the same person, move to Vizag. Now, the version 4. Previous city. Pune. Current city. Vizag. Active status. 1. Previous record active status. 0. Okay. This is 1. Suppose now, here in this model there is a problem. Okay, this is actually the behavior of SCD 6. What information is available? Latest delta available or not? Tell me. Available. So that SCD 1 rule satisfied. History available or not? SCD 2 rules satisfied. Recent history available or not? Depends on how many levels of history that you want. Okay, that is available. So this is simply SCD 6. But small customization we do into this. Suppose you want old records, latest record of Anil, latest information of Anil. How you have to query? Table name. Table name is suppose let's say S6. Where active status is equal to 1. Latest information. Old history you want, sir. History you want. Just 0. And ID equals to 101. ID equal to 101, that is common for all the things. Okay, whenever I say 0, what happens? Entire history I will be getting. Suppose think that 100 times, that is already modified. So totally 100 events for Anil means 99 zeros and 1 for latest. If there are 100 events, 99 updations, 1 insertion. So that definitely what happens? 99 zeros will be there. If I give this query, I will get 99. What I want to take is, suppose here because of only one record, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 in a sequence. But other records will also be there. Okay, the second updation might be 99. What is your understanding? First surrogate is 1 for Anil, second surrogate key is 99 for Anil, means what? Between them, some 97 other operations have happened, right? For other records. Again, this may be 103. This may be 504. If my question is, what is the last 4 events of Anil? Understand? Last 4 events of Anil, if I question like this. 504. Okay, choose a query, right? Write a query. Complicated or not? Sub-queries you need to use. Sub-queries you need to. Sub-query is basically bad performance. That's why joins came into the picture. Still, join also on big data, that is very late performance. Understood? That's why, like, let's do a small modification. If it is 1, previous one 0, previous to previous one -1, previous to previous one -2, then no need of surrogate. If I could able to do this one, every time status old status getting -1 decremented by 1. Okay, suppose one more record in such as, suppose delta 4 happened, same for earning, which is delta 4 101 Anil. Again, Anil returned back to Hyderabad. Then what is the latest event? Maybe 901 for surrogate key. 101 Anil. Vizag, Hyderabad, sorry, PCT, Vizag, Hyderabad, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. If status is like this, if you want active, equal to 1, less than 1, everything is history. Suppose now if I say my active status, 1 minute, look at this query. If I say my active status greater than or equals to or greater than -2, greater than -2 means what? -2 greater than -2 means -1, 0, 1. Latest 3 events I am getting. Latest 3 events means say -2. Latest 4 events means -3. Latest 10 events means -9. Understand the point? Like this. So flexibility you can provide like this. Now, if you are maintaining like this, no need of maintaining surrogate key. Okay, but surrogate key, keep the surrogate key, not a problem. Totally, if you look at the last record, how many records have been there, are there, without applying the count aggregation, you can understand. Understood? Like this. So this thing we are going to implement now. Okay. Just to look at only a S6 table final after implementation of this pipeline, SAD by SAD6 pipeline. What is happening? What is current city of 101? Previous Vizag. It's previous Pune. It's previous Delhi. It's previous Hyderabad. It's previous. That means his career starts at Hyderabad. Hyderabad to Delhi. Delhi to Pune. Pune to Vizag. Vizag to Hyderabad again. Now Hyderabad is the last point. In future, it may be changed again. One more version will be created. If any new version created, always for the new version, that has to become 1. Whenever it is the latest 1, remaining for all the remaining records and stuff, updating with 0, we are updating with status equal to status -1. Whenever -1 is applied, this is the previous one will become 0. Previous 0 will become -1, then -2, -3, -4. Automatically versioning is applying or not? Got it? Of course, for this is for 101. For 102 also same kind of numbers can be there. But now this record is behaving like a composite key. Independently 0 is available multiple times, but 0 combination with 101 only one time. -1 combination with 101 only one time. Every record has its own uniqueness. Got it? So this thing we are going to implement now. Right? So for this, what are the steps? So first, the execution demo I will give, then we will implement it. Okay? Same as SCD4 we will implement. What additional columns we are taking? Apart from regular, these are regular columns. Apart from that, surrogate key and active status. Got it. So if you are going to update status equal to status minus one, surrogate key is not required. Okay. Come on, open the table. There is okay. Already we are in editor. Already I have a table. Select start from. Yes, 6 tab. Already we have data. But many records are there. Many times I implemented this. That's why I will truncate this. Truncate table. Table name S6 tab. Now 0 rows. No rows here. I'm inserting these 3 rows only in the beginning. Anil Sunil Bharat. Three records inserted. We don't need any history table separately. Next, I need this one. Delta for STD6, the modification done for Anil and Sunil, and one more new record, Sreeram is inserted. Okay. Already we have this. I will upload into data lake. The file name is delta for STD6. Last one, right? So file is already existed. The file is ready. Next step, create data sets for all the things. Already I have created data sets. So here I did not write complete notes. After completion of this demonstration, I will prepare the notes for you. Come to ADF. First, let's test it. Later, we will implement in the next session. STD6, S6DF. This is the pipeline for it. Sorry, data flow for it. I'm starting the data debug flow. Meanwhile, it is running. This entire thing is our data flow for STD6. Okay. In a single screen to show you this, we need to no. Check this. This is metro trial. I'm repeat to up to your high-tech city. Okay. Okay. This is simply in a high level. This is simply your what you call data flow. Okay. I'm making it bigger. Many steps are involving into this. Step by step, we are going to implement everything. I'm going to run the pipeline. There is a 6 pipe. Okay. Running all the things. Just first time I am running this probe. What is expected functionality? First time it is going to run. Now, initially, your table is like this. Everyone is active record. What is there in the delta? 101 Delhi, 102. Bangalore, and 104, not 103. That means nothing happened for 103. What is the city we have again? For Sreeram. Delta 6. That is Hyderabad. After pipeline run, what is our expectation? First time pipeline executed, sir. What is your expectation? This record has to be inserted here. Okay. But this is what here. What is expected? Hyderabad is expected. What is the status here? Status 1. What about previous status? Understand? Like this, the implementation should be done. Okay. So before inserting any record, we need to take his previous city, his current city into the previous city. And then insertion should be done. Got it? So this thing we are going to implement now. And for the existed records, what is expected functionality? The status should become -1. Whatever the status value is there, don't make it 0. Apply -1 for that. If there is 0, 0 minus 1, -1. If there is 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Like that. Okay, this is what our expected functionality. The same thing for Sunil, but Sreeram should be inserted. For Sreeram, there is no previous record, so nothing should happen. Got it? For Bharat, 1 should be as 1 only, because no modification done for the Bharat. So this is the we are expecting. Check the pipeline completed or not. I think we did not click on debug. Just it's a very lengthy data flow, so it takes time. Please observe. Started now. Look at that. Check latest information data. Check in DB. Old information is this one. For all these rows, what is the status? 1. Now it should become, especially for Anil and Sunil, status should become 0. At the same time, new latest record should be there. Check the query. Select star from S6 tab. First row is for Anil sir. I just picked the status value. What is the status? Second Sunil, 0. Again observe. For Bharat, what is that? 1. Again Anil. What happened? When new latest record inserted, previous value has been taken into this one or not? Previous city Hyderabad came here and Delhi came here. That means recent history available, previous all history also available. Status 1. And for Sunil, previous city Hyderabad, current city Bangalore. Sreeram is new inserted record. That's why no previous city, only current city available. Okay. Okay. Let's do one more small try. In my data lake, I do some modification. Delhi to that's a Chennai. No second record. Okay. Hyderabad to Pune. Again, same reflection. Same record happens this one. That's why that is a bug, programmatical bug that is. That is developer bug, not system bug. You have to control it. Okay. In SCD2, we control it, right? On that way, by adding some pepper and chicken, we need to control it. Okay. Some logically you need to manage. But system cannot help you like that. So that's why generally what they do is whenever this delta is pushed into the target, they will remove the delta in it. Suppose your activity is data flow. After data flow, next activity is delete activity. In the delete activity, they give data set of this delta. Whenever the data flow execution completed, next activity, deletion activity. That means always fresh delta will be available. Okay, sir, please tell me. So now expected functionality, just check it. Running the same debug. Now get started. Now it's started. Now updation happened. Remember, updation happened was only 2 records for 101 and 104. Tell me the version numbers for status for 101. Latest one, previous one 0, the previous one minus. Okay. Check it now. Look at only 101, sir. If you look at all the rows, you will be confused. Look at only 101. Where ID is equal to 101. This is for Anil. Check here. What is current city? Chennai. Previous city? Delhi. Again. Delhi previous. Hyderabad. Hyderabad previous. Nothing. Got it. Look at the status. 1, 0, minus. One more updation happened means that will become -2. Very first record will become -2. Okay. Look at 104. Only 2 events happened for 104. Check this. Only 2 records. Status 1, 0. So that current city you can understand as Pune. Previous city, Hyderabad. Hyderabad before where he was working means before Hyderabad nothing. That is starting with Hyderabad. Journey starting with Hyderabad. Like this. Understood? So this implementation we will do. Okay. I'm disconnecting this meeting immediately. Please rejoin into the same meeting, sir. Already that meeting time is up.